And she has said na. So, it's NPP there. Omo ni the Musa Danka air canoso. Na woman me pa Alan Kyerematen.
Welcome to the political round with me, the voice, right here on Ghana and Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Honorable Alan Kyerematen, the leader for Movement for Change, former member of the New Patriotic Party, the Elephant family, ni running mate going into election 2024. Has been speaking. Now, there is freedom of expression in Ghana. Just say, that freedom, no. Ukokana and your bizu there. That person also has the freedom to reply you. And so I'm also coming to exercise that freedom I have to also air my view on what he has said. Now, also saying, or say, there will be some hurt, some pain is in the heart of Honorable Alan Kyerematen against the NPP. And the NPP must come and apologize to Honorable Alan Kyerematen. Here is my response. The New Patriotic Party owes Honorable Alan Kyerematen no apology whatsoever. No apology. Absolutely no apology. Why am I saying that? You see, there are people who have benefited from NPP being in power. And even if they do not achieve their own personal targets set for themselves in their lives, that maybe I want to become president, which is the penultimate, they are still sorted for life because of the association or the belonging or the membership of the New Patriotic Party. Honorable Alan Kyerematen has been the longest serving trade minister in the history of the Fourth Republic. And I John Ajekum Kufo. He was. And Akufo-Addo. He was until he himself decided to resign. So he has enjoyed the goodies in the New Patriotic Party. Number two, the New Patriotic Party, NPP, enye kingdom, enye chieftaincy arrangement. You will say, when one person leaves, the natural succession is this person and that person. There will be people who will never ever have the chance to come close to being a flag bearer in the New Patriotic Party. It is a democratic organization. And the systems are in place. Which systems, they govern all of us. We are all supposed to submit to those systems. And I say even the laws and regulations of the party. Now, this running mate of Honorable Alan is saying, one of the reasons why Honorable Alan is angry, he said, Akufo-Addo promised him, he was going to hand over the baton to him. So, but when it came to the time for people to contest, Akufo-Addo did not come out openly to endorse Honorable Alan. How do you even say this? How can this be your argument? Say, sitting president, when 10 people have declared intention to contest for flag bearer because he contested with somebody in the past and he told the person, I'll hand over the baton to you. That alone was more than an endorsement.
The NPP there, Omo ni the Musa Danka Kanoso. Na Woma mepa Alan Chow, or some Bepana Chow, say even Alan Crano on join NPP DMA. That's what Beko move, or some Bepana Chow, not the Chow Omo, a Yaw Wonimu. A Yaw no one Munuso, and justify.
Alan Diao.
Now many make kind of say. Make kind of say. A Yaw Nimu, I think 1 party me. A Yaw Wonimu. Oh my papa boni, and also the panacho. Say we panacho cry not to join any party in the cry, no problem. But there was some panacho. So now hand time any sika free from when you know, one who say, but no credit na make and no. Look at America.
What Akufo-Addo said way back 2008. It was more than an endorsement for Alan. After Akufo-Addo has said that, it was up to Alan to strategically position himself to ensure, say, he has a firm grip on the delegates. For delegates to go and approve him to become flag bearer. Any automatic succession. Say ankaye automatic succession. The party will not even open a nomination for people to go and buy forms and pay over 100,000 Ghana cedis. You think paying 100,000 Ghana cedis plus is easy? And you grow. You understand? And Honorable Alan should agree, say he had a failed campaign strategy. Very, very failed campaign. Even from the slogan to everything was just failed. Edru miso. Edru so enti Edru so enti. You get it? The people he had surrounded himself around with. Yaya Papa Hobson Adoye. Any our former communication director Yao Boabe. All these people, even the way they were speaking, the kind of things they were saying, was bringing division. You have someone who is in your camp and is telling us, say, Dombo die, need any already vice. Na buzia, ara dankwa, na moody president. When you say something like this, how do you expect NPP executives in the northern regions, in Greater Accra, in Volta, to vote for you? They won't vote for you. Where they common sense. Me and me a votarian. You go and grant that you say, as for we votarians and the minorities in the NPP there, we are not good for presidential materials. We can only fit for vice president material. You want me to go and vote for you as a delegate? So nobody at all owes any apology to any movement of change member. If they had that weight in Ghana's body politics, Cheddar Alban and Seya wouldn't have passed Honorable Alan. Cheddar mobilized more votes than Honorable Alan. That is how bad it is. And I think, sir, and I hope, sir, all these kind of statements, and yet because some people are eyeing a return, a comeback to the NPP, Yempene. You cannot keep taking this for a fool over and over. Yempene. Say, Honorable Alan will come back to the NPP and will even allow to contest as flag bearer. Yempene. And if that is the agenda there, forget it. And see. No. We will not agree to it. He claims he's gone. Let him go. This party, we will rebuild it. We will come back together, united, stronger than ever. And we will win 2028 election. Inshallah. This has been the political rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana and Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, bye bye, cheers. See you in the next one.